How to build confidence in soccer example exercise. Are you ready to take your soccer game to the next level? Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of success on the field, building confidence in soccer. Confidence is the fuel that drives exceptional performance, and mastering it can elevate your game to new heights. In this guide, we'll explore an example exercise that will help you boost your confidence and unleash your full potential on the pitch. So let's lace up our boots and get ready to build the self-belief needed to dominate the beautiful game of soccer. Number 1. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful technique for building confidence in soccer. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without distractions. Close your eyes and take deep breaths to center yourself and clear your mind. Then vividly imagine yourself succeeding in various game situations. Picture yourself dribbling past defenders with ease, scoring goals with precision, and making crucial tackles to win possession. Engage all your senses during visualization to make the experience as realistic as possible. Feel the ball at your feet, hear the cheers of the crowd, and envision the sights and sounds of the game around you. Repeat this visualization exercise regularly to reinforce your confidence and mentally prepare yourself for success on the field. Number 2. Find a quiet space. Finding a quiet space is essential for effective visualization and building confidence in soccer. Choose a location where you can relax without distractions, whether it's a quiet room at home or a peaceful spot outdoors. Create a comfortable environment by sitting or lying down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself and clear your mind of any external distractions. Ensure that the space is free from noise or interruptions to maximize your focus during the visualization process. By finding a quiet space, you create the ideal conditions for immersing yourself fully in the visualization exercise and enhancing your confidence on the field. Number 3. Picture yourself succeeding. Picture yourself succeeding is a fundamental aspect of building confidence in soccer. As you begin your visualization exercise, imagine yourself performing successfully in various game situations. Visualize dribbling past defenders with precision, envisioning every touch of the ball as you navigate through the opposition. Picture yourself striking the ball with power and accuracy, sending it soaring into the back of the net for a goal. See yourself making crucial tackles and interceptions, showcasing your defensive prowess and winning possession for your team. Engage your imagination to create vivid mental images of success, allowing yourself to feel the excitement and satisfaction of executing each skill flawlessly. By consistently picturing yourself succeeding, you reinforce your belief in your abilities and build the confidence needed to excel on the soccer field. Number 4. Engage all senses. Engaging all your senses is essential for maximizing the effectiveness of visualization and building confidence in soccer. As you visualize yourself succeeding on the field, immerse yourself fully in the experience by engaging all your senses. Feel the texture of the ball at your feet as you dribble past defenders, sensing its weight and bounce with each touch. Hear the sounds of the game around you, the cheers of the crowd, shouts of teammates, and the referee's whistle. See the vibrant colors of the pitch, the movement of players, and the goalposts in the distance. Smell the freshly cut grass and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. By engaging all your senses during visualization, you create a more immersive and realistic mental experience, enhancing your confidence and preparation for actual game situations on the soccer field. Number 5. Repeat regularly. Repeating visualization regularly is key to building confidence in soccer. Make it a consistent part of your training routine, ideally before important matches or training sessions. By practicing visualization regularly, you reinforce the mental imagery of success and strengthen your confidence in your abilities. Each time you engage in visualization, focus on different aspects of your game and visualize yourself succeeding in various scenarios. The more you repeat this exercise, the more ingrained the images of success become in your mind. Consistency is key to maximizing the effectiveness of visualization and building unwavering confidence on the soccer field. Make it a habit to visualize success regularly and watch as your confidence and performance soar to new heights. Number 6. Take risks and experiment. In soccer, taking risks and experimenting with different techniques is essential for building confidence and expanding your skill set on the field. Don't be afraid to try new moves or approaches during training sessions and matches. Whether it's attempting a tricky dribble, executing a creative pass, or taking a long-range shot, pushing yourself out of your comfort zone is how you grow as a player. Embrace failure as part of the learning process and use it as motivation to keep improving. Remember, the greatest players in the world didn't achieve success by playing it safe. They took risks and embraced challenges head-on. So dare to be bold, trust your instincts, and unleash your creativity on the field. You never know what incredible feats you might accomplish when you're willing to take a chance and experiment with your skills. Number 7. Believe in yourself. Believing in yourself is paramount in soccer and can significantly impact your performance on the field. Trust in your abilities, skills, and training, knowing that you have what it takes to succeed. Visualize yourself making successful plays, scoring goals, and contributing positively to your team's success. Confidence begins with self-belief, so banish self-doubt and focus on your strengths and capabilities. Remind yourself of past successes and achievements to reinforce your belief in your abilities. With unwavering self-confidence, you'll approach every game with a positive mindset and the belief that you can overcome any challenge that comes your way. In conclusion, incorporating visualization into your training routine is a powerful way to build confidence in soccer. By finding a quiet space, picturing yourself succeeding, engaging all your senses, and repeating the exercise regularly, you can strengthen your belief in your abilities and mentally prepare yourself for success on the field. So embrace this example exercise, harness the power of visualization, and watch as your confidence grows, enabling you to perform at your best in every game. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, join our community by subscribing, liking, and following us. See you in the next video.